My name's Annette. I'm a nurse, and I recently spent about over 10 years in sleep research. And a lot of people pride themselves in getting too little sleep and saying, I don't need that much sleep. I can get by on 4 hours because you don't feel sleepy during the day, but your body does not respond well to that. And we've done studies where we've tested healthy sleepers. We give them a glucose to drink, a certain amount of glucose to drink, and then we draw their blood every 10 minutes and every 30 minutes over a 3-hour period. And we measure their blood sugar levels and also the amount of insulin their body's produced. And so the results come back normal. Then we bring them in the hospital and we deprive them of sleep, 4 hours sleep. They stay up till like 2 a.m. and we wake them at 6 a.m. Then a couple hours later, and then we do this for 4 or 5 days, and then we administer the same amount of glucose, very same conditions, and their glucose levels are higher than they were, their insulin levels are higher. So no matter how well people think they can survive on too little sleep, they cannot. It's hurting your body. And I myself was a short sleeper, we call them, but I know that it affects your metabolism for sure, and it also causes weight gain, just as an aside.